Well, solid as a rock. How appropriate. We've now got all of the track laid. Those bricks are just holding down the track while it gets the glue gets hold of it, and bags of lead weights doing the same thing. That was the last bit laid there this afternoon. Clearly, we've still got the glue going on. And track work. Let's have a look. We've got some stain on the track here now. Still need some colour on the side of the rails, which I'll probably end up doing with. I might just use some weathering powders on that. So still got a lot of track to be sprayed up tomorrow. All those back three levels have got to be primed and, well, colour put on, etc. But having the track down and finished, the dropper wire's not been soldered in yet. You can still see piles of wires all over the place. But having the track finished off is quite a good, well, shall we say, quite a good point to reach, because I can now push on with the scenery and the ballasting.